AI tools are exploding right now. But here's the problem. Most marketers are paying for 10 or even 15 different tools just to run their online business. What if one platform could replace all of them? Today, we're looking at ManyAgents AI, a new software that claims to give you 20 AI marketing agents working for you 24/7. These agents can create websites, funnels, blog posts, graphics, videos, and even voiceovers in seconds. But the real question is, does it actually work? Let's find out. So what exactly is ManyAgents AI? In simple terms, it's a cloud-based AI marketing platform that combines multiple tools into one dashboard. Instead of switching between different software for writing, designing, video creation, and marketing, you can simply type a keyword or give a voice command, and the AI generates the content for you. This tool is designed for bloggers, affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, and beginners who want to create content quickly without technical skills. Let's quickly look at the main features. First, 20 built-in AI agents. Each agent handles a specific task like website building, copywriting, graphic design, SEO, video creation, or email marketing. It's basically like having a full digital marketing team without hiring anyone. Second, voice and keyword commands. You can simply type something like create a fitness website or write a sales page, and the AI generates it in seconds. Third, unlimited content creation. You can generate blog posts, graphics, social media content, marketing emails, scripts, and even ebooks. And finally, AI video and voiceover tools. You can create marketing videos or YouTube content with built-in AI avatars and voiceovers in multiple languages. So overall, the goal of this platform is simple: save time and replace multiple expensive tools. Pros: beginner-friendly and easy to use. Combines multiple tools in one dashboard. Includes commercial license, sell content to clients. One-time launch price with no monthly fees. Cons: some advanced features may require optional upgrades, OTOs. AI-generated content may still need editing or refinement before use. Now here's the best part. When you grab ManyAgents AI through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses are designed to help you get traffic, build funnels, create content, and grow faster online. If you want to check out ManyAgents AI, just click the link in the description below. You'll get the lowest launch price, plus my exclusive bonus bundle worth $43,000. But keep in mind, the launch discount and bonuses are only available for a limited time. So if you're interested, make sure to grab it before the price goes up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.